Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about how to discuss news and current events in English, a skill that's essential for participating in everyday conversations, professional discussions, and understanding the world around you. Let's start with how news stories are structured. A headline is the short, bold title of a news article designed to grab attention. A lead or introduction gives the most important facts at the start. The body of the article provides detail, context, and quotes, and a feature article explores a topic in more depth. Breaking news refers to a story being reported live as it happens. You might see, breaking, flood warnings issued across the north, or you might say, have you seen the breaking news? There's been a major development. When discussing news, it's useful to cite your source, say where you got the information. For example, according to the BBC, or The Guardian is reporting that, or it's alleged, meaning claimed but not yet confirmed, that the company knew about the problem. Media literacy, the ability to critically evaluate news sources, is increasingly important. Not all reporting is equal. Some outlets have a bias, they tend to favor one political view or interpretation. You might say, that paper leans quite far to the right. I always read at least two sources before forming an opinion. To discuss an opinion piece or editorial, an article expressing a newspaper's or writer's view, you might say, the editorial makes an interesting argument, but I'm not entirely convinced. Or, the author has a clear agenda, it's worth bearing in mind. Useful phrases for discussing news include, it seems that, it's being reported that, there are conflicting reports about, and it remains to be seen whether. Today we covered news structure, breaking news, media literacy, bias, and how to discuss stories critically. Stay informed, stay curious. See you next lesson.